Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with me, and I wanted to show you some new collections that we got in. This one is from Carta, and it is called Summer Splash. And this was highly requested by quite a few of you. So we'll go through the pages, and this is a very good quality cardstock. So there's the back side of that one. There's that one. The flamingos. This would be really good for a vacation beach mini album. And there's that one. And I know this week a lot of people are on spring break, so I'm sure there's a lot of people at the beach. But I like that one. So you need to get this to do your photos with when you get back. Look at that with all of the bathing suits hanging on the wires there. And flip-flops. And even have a bird there. I like that one, the starfish. Relax and unwind, soak up the sun. Life's better in flip-flops. Yes, it is. Worry less. Beach more, worry less. I need to make a sign that says that. Beach more, worry less. There you go. That one. And then there is a sticker sheet. It's got all kinds of great stickers on there. Sorry for any glare, but I had to turn on all of my lights because it's still dark outside. And it's going to glare just a little bit because this is kind of a glossy sheet here. Alright, and then we have the chipboard. This one, this just says chipboard accents, and I think this one says chipboard phrases. So there's two different chipboards. Whoops, sorry about the glare. I'll try to get as much of it off as I can. So I will let you see that one up close. And this is a really good thick chipboard too. And then this one. And then there is the 6x6. Of course, it is the same papers, just in a smaller scale. And there is 24 sheets in this one. And then we have the ephemera, which is all of those. And the frames and tags. And if you're wondering why I'm talking kind of low, everybody else is still asleep. And then we have a little sick baby in the house, so I'm trying not to wake everybody up. And then these are the enamel dots. Look at those. Those colors are beautiful. So I'm going to talk kind of low, but I think you can still hear me. Alright, there are, how many sheets in this? There are 12 by 12 double-sided textured papers and one 12 by 12 element sticker sheet in this pack. So that is the Carta Summer Splash. That link will be directly below to this product. And then we also got in some Mickey papers. This is from Echo Park, and it is Alice in Wonderland. And let's see, there's 12 by 12 double-sided papers and one 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. This one was another one that was highly requested that we get in, and it has just been released. There's your cutouts there. There's the back side. And there's that one. And the back side, and that's pretty, isn't it? And there's another cutout sheet. And the back side. These are pretty papers. There's that one. Again, I'm thinking mini album from Disney. There's that one with the rabbit. Oops. There's the back side. And there is that one with the teapots. And the back side. Got all those keys on it. More Alice. And this is like you could cut off these for borders, or you could just use the page as is. And then on the back you've got the teapots and the teacups. And then there's all those beautiful butterflies. And then that one, I love that paper right there. And then here are the sticker sheets. And let's see, we also have the solid pack, the coordinating solid packs that matches, and it has, let's see, has 6 12 by 12. All of this paper is acid and lignin free. I have people that ask that all the time. Yes, it is. So it's safe for all of your photos. But we have the coordinating solid pack, and then we have the frames and tags, which is this one. And the ephemera. Okay, that again was the Echo Park Alice in Wonderland. And I will have that direct link below as well to that collection. And then we have one more for now, and then I'll show you some more later on today. This one is Wish Upon a Star, and it is also by Echo Park. Another one that is a Mickey Mouse Magic Kingdom kind of paper. Look at that. And that's cute. Cinderella's Castle. And then that, of course, is the trademark for the colors and the circles there. Then all of these little tickets, those are cute. You could cut those out and use them, or use the sheet as is. That's cute too. I like anything Disney. I don't know about anybody else. Some people don't, but I do. I like Disney. pretty too. Say cheese, snapshots, photographs, and then of course the traditional red bow tie. And this is like an old newspaper type thing. There's that. That's pretty. And there's all those buttons that we all collect. My kids love Disney. They still love Disney. And they're grown and have kids of their own, and they still love Disney, especially my oldest one. She would go every week if she had the money. My grandkids love it too, but not as much as my kids did, I don't think. There you go. I like that. That's really pretty. That's pretty too. Look at that. And then here's your 4x6 cutouts. Journaling boxes, whatever you want to call it. And then there's that one. And then here's your borders. And the back side. And then your stickers. And then we have the solids, the coordinating solids. So all of these coordinate directly with that paper pack. We have the 6x6 and then the ephemera, which is that. And then this is the frames and tags, which is this one. Okay, that again is the Echo Park Wish Upon a Star, and I will leave that link directly below as well. So go over and check out these collections. We have quite a few of them right now. I'm thinking maybe this one we have less of, but go over and check it out if you're interested and place your order today. And we will talk to you guys later. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Bye-bye.